Good day guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this amazing PowerPoint slide in just 5 minutes. You can get this premium template from my Patreon link in the description below. So let's start. The first thing you're going to do is open up a blank slide and go to Insert tab on Pictures, and from here you're going to insert 4 images. So right now I'm going to use 4 images of headphones, and you can get these PNGs from internet or Chrome. So we're gonna expand the one of them, and we're gonna increase the size of one of the images as very large, and others are gonna be smaller. Here you go. Next, we're gonna select the 3 other. One by one, we're gonna give them artistic effect of blur, and we're gonna change the radius to 100%. We're gonna do the same for other pictures as well. Here you go. Next, what we're going to do is change the background's fill. And we're going to use eyedropper, but we're going to use a darker shade for the same color that we choose from the eyedropper. Next, we're going to insert a circle right here. Then we're going to just give it a fill of white and go to soft edges and give it 100% or less soft edges. Increase its size and send it to the back and put it into the middle and the center of your slide. Next, we're going to give it transparency as well so that we can easily see our headphones. Here you go. Next, we're going to just paste our text, and I have pre-made my text and I'm just going to paste it into this template. Next, what we're going to do is just move the text and customize it. We're gonna insert our 3 of the social media apps logos. We're gonna put them in the like bottom part of our slide, just below the text. Here you go. Next, we're gonna insert our logo for the slide, and this is also gonna be a headphone because this is like e-commerce design for headphones website, and we're just going to use headphones as well as the logo. Next, we're going to insert a text box just next to the headphones logo. We're going to insert a text which is going to be the like company's name or our title which represents our company and stuff like that. Next, we're going to duplicate the slide, and then we're gonna like decrease this headphone that is larger and put it right in the bottom part. Give it the same artistic effect of blur and give it 100% radius. Or you can give less if you want to see it in your slide. Next, we're gonna increase the size of the previous headphone and remove this artistic effects option. We're gonna move this one right here onto the slide and change the background's fill as well as the text box and the title. Let's use another background fill and this looks perfect. Next, what we're going to do is just change our text box and the title and the price as well. Duplicate the slide as well. Repeat the process of changing the title and the price and decreasing this same like this headphone that is larger, moving it and giving blur effects of 100%. Next, moving it into this place and that headphone goes out of the slide. And for this top headphone, we're gonna remove the artistic effects, and then we're gonna just increase its size and put it right here onto the right side of our slide. And we're gonna just increase its size and change the background fill to the same using the eyedropper. Next, we're gonna move this headphone into the slide on the top as well. Change the price as well. You duplicate your slide and you're gonna like add other text and you're gonna decrease this headphone size and place it right in this place in the bottom. And we're gonna move the other headphones outside and give this one the blur artistic effect as well. We're gonna use 100% radius For this top headphone, we're just gonna increase its size and then put it right onto the right side and change the background fill using the image and the eyedropper. And also alternate the price and select all of the slides, goes to positions tab and give them more transition. You can change the duration if you want according to your preference. So this is the final result. You can get this template and buy it from my Patreon link in the description below, and then you can use it for anything you want and customize it using your own preferences. Subscribe to my YouTube channel.